Welcome back to Autopedia, where innovation meets the road. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated compact crossovers of the year, the 2025 Toyota RAVA. A vehicle that redefines how we look at practicality, design, and future-ready performance. Whether you're an urban commuter, a weekend adventurer, or simply someone who loves a reliable machine with style, the 2025 RAVA is making a serious case to be your next ride. Let's get one thing straight, the Toyota RAVA isn't just another SUV in a crowded market. It's a statement. A testament to Toyota's unyielding commitment to constant innovation, user-centric design, and bulletproof reliability. The 2025 model takes that reputation to an entirely new level, delivering a package that feels both familiar and revolutionary. From the moment you lay eyes on the 2025 RAVA, you notice that it's evolved. Toyota hasn't just slapped on a new front grille and called it a day. The body has been resculpted with sharper angles, a bolder stance, and an aerodynamic silhouette that gives off a sporty and futuristic vibe. The front fascia features an aggressive LED lighting signature that smoothly flows into a sleek, piano black grille. And those muscular wheel arches? They house beautiful 18 or 19-inch alloy wheels that feel more Lexus than mainstream Toyota. And yes, depending on your trim, you even get contrasting black roof options that give the RAVA a youthful, rebellious charm. But design isn't all about looks, it's also about function. Toyota's new platform on the RAVA means better handling, reduced body roll, and an improved turning radius. Parking in tight city spots? A breeze. Tackling winding mountain roads? Confident. The aerodynamics also translate to better fuel efficiency, and let's be honest, in 2025, that matters more than ever. Speaking of performance, Toyota is offering multiple engine configurations with the RAVA, giving drivers the freedom to choose what suits them best. The base model comes with a peppy 2.0-liter inline-4 engine, producing around 165 horsepower. It's tuned for efficiency and smooth daily driving. But for those who crave a bit more muscle, Toyota is offering a turbocharged 2.5-liter hybrid engine, delivering close to 220 horsepower. The electric motor not only gives an immediate torque boost but also improves fuel economy dramatically, expect well over 40 miles per gallon in combined driving. And the best part? There's an all-wheel drive version that intelligently sends power where it's needed. You can take this compact beast off the beaten path, handle slippery roads, or climb steep inclines without breaking a sweat. Toyota has also added a new drive mode selector, offering Eco, Sport, and Trail modes, letting you fine-tune your RAVA for any scenario. Step inside the 2025 Toyota RAVA, and you're welcomed into a space that blends premium comfort with futuristic tech. Toyota's latest interior design philosophy is in full swing here. Everything feels in.